The pandemic of coronavirus disease has already appeared the highest deadly human misery with death toll after the Second World War. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Health Equilibrium. Today we are going to discuss about the most talked about topic of the present time, and that is coronavirus. Coronavirus disease is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. COVID-19 is caused by one virus called Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome Coronavirus 2 or SARS-CoV-2. With the outbreak of novel coronavirus declared a pandemic and an international public health emergency by the World Health Organization, the entire world is working to address it. It is a rapidly evolving and emerging situation. In less than 5 months after the first emergence of the virus in December 2019, nearly 2 million people in 185 countries around the globe have been identified as confirmed cases of coronavirus disease. Researchers across the world are working hard to understand better the biology of nCoV-2 and the epidemiology of the novel coronavirus disease. COVID-19 is a respiratory viral infectious disease with previously unknown etiology. It often causes a severe acute respiratory syndrome. That first outbreak appeared in the city of Wuhan in Hubei province, China in December 2019. Bronchoalveolar lavage fluid of COVID-19 patients analyzed through metagenomic RNA next-generation sequencing identified a new RNA virus strain belongs to the family Coronaviridae, which is labeled as WH-human1 coronavirus. The phylogenetic analysis assesses the sequence of a typical gene consists of the evolutionary relationship of species. The whole viral genome sequencing revealed that COVID-19 possesses 29,903 nucleotides and most closely correlated 89.1% nucleotide similarity with severe acute respiratory syndrome like coronavirus. The droplet infections remain as the primary mode of transmission for almost all respiratory infectious diseases. The droplet units with greater than 5 to 10 micrometer and less than 5 micrometer diameter is considered as respiratory droplets and droplet nuclei respectively. COVID-19 can affect any age group. Most of the cases, 77.8%, were in 30 to 69 years of age. Pre-existing hypertension, diabetes, cardiovascular, cancer, and chronic respiratory illness are at risk of complications with a little male predominance 51.4%. SARS-CoV-2 spreads by respiratory droplets. It is infectious when comes out to contact with the mucous membrane. The exact survival of it in the environment is unknown, though considering characteristics of SARS-CoV and MERS-CoV, it may survive on a surface for hours to days at room temperature, average 20 degrees Celsius and with high humidity. It can be killed by soap wash and disinfectants such as 75% alcohol. The incubation period is 2 days to 14 days. Several studies have reported that the incubation time of COVID-19 from the infection to appearance of symptoms and signs takes 5 to 6 days and the average range of 1 to 2 weeks. The number of days from the earliest symptom to passing away was 14 days. With almost every country adopting aggressive non-therapeutic measures to control the spread of nCoV-2, consequently, good respiratory etiquette practice is an essential issue for the prevention of the global pandemic of COVID-19. Subsequently, the World Health Organization promotes social distancing, frequent hand wash, regular use of face masks for the prevention of the global pandemic. To date, no specific vaccines or pharmacological interventions for COVID-19 are available, and the COVID-19 pandemic represents the greatest global public health crisis of this generation, and potentially since the pandemic influenza outbreak of 1918. Respiratory illness presents as a flu-like illness. Fever, cough, myalgia, and fatigue are the commonest symptoms. Other features include headache, malaise, non-specific gastrointestinal symptoms such as abdominal pain, nausea, diarrhea. The gastrointestinal symptoms are thought to be due to the binding of virus glycoprotein to intestinal angiotensin-converting enzyme receptors. COVID-19 may range from asymptomatic and mild illness to severe illness. Most of the patients have an uncomplicated illness, mild to moderate pneumonia. Few patients have a severe acute respiratory illness which includes severe pneumonia, ARDS, sepsis, and septic shock. China CDC has published data on COVID-19 which showed 80.9% cases were mild. Severe illness and critical cases were 13.8% and 4.7% respectively. On November 23, 2020, coronavirus cases are 5,92,46,189. Deaths are 13,98,068 and recovered are 4,09,85,773 persons in whole world. That's all for today. We will show you more important information about coronavirus in the next video. Until then, good luck to everyone. Please hit the subscribe button, like and share this video so that many people can get benefit from it. Stay safe, stay at home, fight against coronavirus.